Are you thinking about having your big day here at Iron City but just aren't quite sure? Well, I'm here to tell you the top 5 reasons why Iron City is a great place to have your wedding celebration and what really sets us apart from other venues. If these 5 things are important to you on your big day, then you definitely need to give us a call. I'm Michelle and I'm the event manager here at Iron City, and I created this channel to give newly engaged couples a heads up and some insight into the wedding planning world. I'll be sharing information with you like how to book a venue, how to make good decisions and what to consider, and of course all the need to knows about Iron City. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below, that way you'll get a notification every time we upload a new video to help you. Now let me tell you about the top 5 best reasons you should have your wedding here at Iron City. The first one is the food. Everything is catered in-house right from the grill next door. This means that you're getting fresh and local produce and meats, and that everything is actually made here. It's way different than your normal wedding food. Our culinary team is really flexible. If you have something in mind or a custom item that you want us to make, we can do seated dinners, buffets, heavy hors d'oeuvres and stations, whatever style fits your wedding best. The second thing is the bar. Iron City has a huge wraparound bar with over 30 kinds of liquor, wine, bubbly, and over 20 beers on draft from local breweries. Where else are you going to get that kind of selection? The bar is also a big focal point in the room. It's where people gather and socialize. It's totally different than like a little small pop-up table where you stand in line waiting for your drink. Our bartenders are some of the best in the city, meaning that you and your guests are never going to wait for a drink. The third thing is our open layout. Iron City has 3 different levels, making sure that everyone can see and be a part of your wedding. Have you ever been at an event and been stuck in the back of the ballroom and felt really disconnected from what was going on? Or if you're short like me, you missed the cake cutting or the first dance because you couldn't see over the heads of everyone? At Iron City, we have a sunken dance floor, a raised stage, and a second-story mezzanine, so no one's going to miss any of your special moments. The fourth thing is our sound and lights. Iron City is a concert venue, and what this means for you is that you're going to get the best sound and lights that you can have at a wedding venue in town. Our stage is made for bands, so go ahead and book that 14-piece party band. Our lighting, we usually like to start off with a nice candlelit glow on the brick and have it really nice and romantic when guests enter, but by the end of the night you'll have the fun, crazy partying lighting that definitely gets everyone on the dance floor and keeps it packed all night long. Last but not least is that dance floor. If having your guests twirl and shake it all night long is important to you, then you definitely need to consider Iron City. With the open venue and everything being focused in on the dance floor and the stage, the party lights, having a good band or a great DJ, it all leads to an unforgettable epic dance party for you and your guests. This is what we're really all about. Does Iron City sound perfect for you? Then go ahead and give us a call so we can start planning. Thanks again for listening today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you can get all the updates for our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video.